I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing devices. Power the camera, enable its Wi-Fi or Bluetooth pairing mode, and open the Camera Connect app on your phone. Make sure the app has camera and location permissions so discovery works. Once done, select the camera's SSID or device name in the app list. This initiates the handshake. You do this now because discovery only works when both devices actively broadcast, and the app can read network metadata for the secure exchange. You will now complete authentication. After selecting the camera SSID, enter the Wi-Fi password printed on the camera or scan the pairing QR code the app provides. This verifies identity. When the camera shows a prompt or code, confirm it so both devices share keys securely. Make sure to stay close and keep screens active. If the app suggests a firmware update, accept it. Updates often fix connectivity bugs that block the final connection. You finish by verifying live view and taking a quick test photo to confirm transfers, then save the camera profile for automatic reconnection. Once done, enable Auto Reconnect and choose your preferred resolution and transfer mode so future sessions start instantly. If things go wrong, try the simplest fix first. Restart both camera and phone, re-enable AP or pairing mode on the camera, and re-enter the password. This clears transient network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.